Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share a new update on our website. Introducing the personal account. We're constantly updating to become even more convenient for you. Our new personal account service is designed to make tracking and storing floor plans even more convenient and efficient. Why do you need a personal account? With this feature, you get a unique opportunity to store all 3D visualizations of your projects in one place. Need to make changes to a 3D floor plan? Easily send a list of corrections through your personal account. This update is especially useful for managing large real estate projects, including 10 to 100 floor plans. Your projects will always be organized and accessible through a user-friendly interface. Here's how to start using the personal account. Go to our website, Getfloorplan.com. Click on the Sign Up button to go to the registration page. Fill in the registration fields. If you've previously placed orders, use the same email address used for payment. We are confident that our personal account update will significantly simplify the management of your real estate projects and help you interact more efficiently with our system. All your content will be stored in one place, making it easy to track and make necessary changes. Thank you for choosing Getfloorplan. We hope this new update enhances your experience with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video.